Hello friends, welcome to Material Cost Problem Solutions. This question was asked in Saurashtra University examination in 2017. Friends, before we move further, pause this video and read this question so that you can understand it easily. So, hope friends you have gone through this question. Let us see. In this question, from the given information, we are required to calculate 4 points, that is reordering level, minimum level, maximum level and EOQ. Information available is annual consumption, that is 13,000 units. After that, cost of placing an order, then carriage expenditure, which are yearly and per unit 65 rupees. Then reordering time, that is 4 to 6 weeks. Here meaning of 4 weeks minimum is the minimum time and meaning of 6 weeks is the maximum time. After that, weekly average consumption is given, that is 250 units, and weekly minimum consumption is given 125 units. Means here we can say that we have average and minimum consumption, but we do not have maximum consumption, that we have to calculate. So, let us friends solve this question. So, first of all, we will start with the calculation of economic ordering quantity. The formula of EOQ is in square root 2AO upon C. Let us put the values in this formula. Meaning of A is annual consumption, that is 13,000 units. O means ordering cost, that is 25, and C is carrying cost, that is 65. Now, if we simplify, it will be 6,50,000 divided by 65. Further simplifying, that will be 10,000 under square root. If we remove this square root, the final answer is 100 units. So, here we can say that economic ordering quantity is 100 units. After that, before we move further, we have to calculate maximum consumption. So, let us see the formula. On the basis of average consumption, we will calculate it. So, average consumption is equal to minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2. So, let us put the values. Average consumption is 250 units, minimum consumption is 125 units. Now, as per maths rule, these 2 will be multiplied with 250 units given on the left side. So, formula will be like this: 500 is equal to 125 plus maximum consumption. Now, we want to calculate maximum consumption. So, we have to deduct 125 from 500 units. So, the final answer is 375 units. So, we can say that the maximum consumption here is 375 units. So, friends, after getting maximum consumption, we can calculate reordering level easily. The formula of reordering level is the maximum consumption into maximum time. Maximum consumption, as we have calculated, is 375 units and maximum time given in the question 6 weeks. Simply multiply both of these. So, you will receive reordering level, that is 2250 units. Before we move further, we have to again calculate average time, that is not available with us. It is very easy to calculate average time. The formula is maximum time plus minimum time divided by 2. In the question, maximum time is 6 weeks, minimum time is 4 weeks, divided by 2. So, we can say that the average time in this question is 5 weeks. Okay friends, now we can apply the formula of minimum level, where minimum level is equal to ordering level minus average consumption of average time. Let us put the values in this formula. So, here ordering level is 2250 units, in bracket average time 5 weeks into average consumption 250 units. Simplify this formula. So, you will find out the answer, final answer of minimum level, that is 1000 units. And lastly, the maximum level, formula for maximum level is ordering level minus minimum consumption of minimum time plus economic ordering quantity. Let us put the values here. 2250 units are the ordering level, minimum time is 4 weeks, minimum consumption 125 units and EOQ is 100 units. So, if we simplify this formula, final answer is 1850 units, that is the maximum level.